Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blueberry sea moss gel. First, let's prepare our sea moss. Take about 1 cup of dried sea moss and rinse it very well under cool, running water to remove any ocean debris. After rinsing, place the sea moss in a large bowl and cover it with about 4 cups of filtered water. Let it soak for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, until it becomes soft and expands considerably. Once your sea moss is perfectly rehydrated, drain it, but remember to save about 1 cup of that soaking water. Now, transfer the softened sea moss into a high-speed blender. Add 1 cup of fresh, filtered water to the blender. Blend on high for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until you achieve a completely smooth, creamy, and thick gel consistency. This forms the base of our delicious blueberry sea moss gel. Now for the star ingredient, the blueberries. Add 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries directly into the blender with your sea moss gel. If you prefer a sweeter gel, you can also add about 2 tablespoons of a natural sweetener like agave or maple syrup at this stage. Blend everything together for another 30 to 60 seconds until the blueberries are completely smooth and the gel has a beautiful purple hue. Once your blueberry sea moss gel is perfectly blended, carefully pour it into a clean, airtight glass jar. Store this vibrant gel in your refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. You can enjoy 1 to 2 tablespoons daily by adding it to your favorite smoothies, stirring it into teas, or simply consuming it straight for a nutritious boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.